Hey homies and homettes, John Dowker here with the Freestyle Connection BMX stunt team, and today I'm going to show you the decade. All right, the decade. This is a great trick. I believe it was invented by a guy named Fred Blood, who was known for being a professional roller skater before he got into freestyle BMX in the 80s. I also believe he rode for General, which was quite the team in the late 80s. And I, in fact, had a Fred Blood General at one point. Didn't have the R.L. Osborne, which is probably a little bit cooler. But anyway, the decade. We're gonna probably do a small endo, locking up our front brakes, and then we hit the rear brakes. We're gonna have our left foot, for me at least, on the rear peg with my right foot on the top tube. But if you go the other way, just do the reverse, the mirror image of that. And I'm gonna tap the brakes in the front, the back, get my front wheel about 45 from being a 90, and I'm gonna literally jump over the head tube, spot my landing with my left foot, the top tube or the seat post, and then with my right foot I'm gonna catch the pedal.
Okay guys, here's a little decade. Nice and easy. It's a quick flowy motion. It's a little slower here. You can see I do a small endo. Got my foot up on the seat post, lean back, the front wheel off the ground, jump over the head tube, spot my landing on the post, find the pedal with my right foot, and pedal away. Hopefully this helps.